Hi, my name is Connie Brown. I'm in the Office of Student Financial Aid and Scholarships. Welcome to Texas Tech. I want to talk to you just a little bit about student financial aid. So the first thing is, what is expected family contribution? So a lot of people get all upset about that number when they look at the results of their FAFSA and they see that the EFC is a certain number. That is an index number that we use to determine how much financial aid we can award a student. It's a number that financial aid offices uses. It is not your bill. It is not what you are going to owe the university. So the things listed on the slide: taxed and untaxed income, assets, benefits, family size, the number of students in your household who attend college. Those are some of the things that are looked at to determine the expected family contribution. So these are the types of financial aid that students are eligible for: grants, scholarships, student employment, and student loans. So I want to talk just a little bit about each one of those to help you understand. But of course, the most important one that everybody's interested in would be scholarships. So there's different types of scholarships. The university competitive scholarships, those are the ones that everyone applies for. And when you did your Apply Texas, you answered 4 questions at the end of the application, and those are the questions that put your name in the pot, basically, for the competitive scholarships. So you applied for those scholarships when you did your admissions application. Those awards are made by our office, our scholarship office, as well as colleges and departments on campus. The priority deadline for those awards is December 1st. Once you are a continuing student, each year you will apply for scholarships. It's a separate application that's due in February, but we can worry about that a little bit later. Of course, you can always check with colleges and departments and organizations for scholarships as well. The Presidential Merit Scholarships, those are university level scholarships. If you have a Presidential Merit Scholarship, you need to accept it. That is not a commitment. That acceptance is not a commitment to come to Texas Tech, although we hope you do decide to come to Texas Tech. But you do need to accept that scholarship on RadarLink so that we can reserve those funds for you in the event that you do decide to come to Texas Tech. Of course, you'll have to submit a thank you letter and also watch our video. Let's talk about external scholarships. Those are the ones that you would receive from anyone outside of Texas Tech University. These usually require a separate application, and what we encourage you to do is to complete 3 of those, at least 3 external scholarship applications a week from now until the time you graduate. Some places to look: the Texas Tech Parent Association, the Alumni Association at Texas Tech, as well as local civic, religious organizations in your school and community. Then also FastWeb, College Board, Scholly, Scholarship America, and there's even a book called Scholarships 101 that has information for scholarships, external scholarships. One of the things that people don't like to do is to write essays. So here's a scholarship you can apply for that does not require an essay. You just have to go to this website, put your name in, and once a month the financial aid office draws a winner. Even your parents can do this one. So you may think $100, but $100 might buy 2 books. So please take care of this one. Then another type of financial aid, of course, is student loans. There's different types of loans. The loans that we award students who submit a FAFSA are the subsidized and unsubsidized loans. Which loan you get is determined by your expected family contribution. You can accept all of the loans, none of the loans. That money's not going to jump into your bank account and you owe it back unless you take action. So if you need the loan money to help you obtain your education, it's there. If you don't want it, you don't have to accept it. There's also some other types of loans that students are eligible for. College Access Loan is one, and then private loans through lenders. There's a list of those on our website. There are also loans for parents if a parent wants to take out loan money or needs to take out loan money to help their student. The federal government has a Parent Plus loan, and then there's also private loans that parents can take out. One really important reminder, activate your Texas Tech email. If there's anything we need from you, that's the way we communicate. So please get your Texas Tech email account activated, and don't just activate, check your email. These are ways that you can contact us. We have a walk-up counter in West Hall. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30. We also have email availability, websites, and of course our phone. We have phone numbers. We have an actual call center on campus, and we have advisors that will take your calls and help answer your questions. And of course, like everybody else, we're on social media. So please reach out to us. Any questions you have, we want to help answer. So once again, I want to thank you for listening. My name is Connie Brown in the Student Financial Aid and Scholarships. All I can say now is wreck 'em.